You have a knife on you.
I ain't got no knife.
All right, come here first.
Come on, now nigga, come inside.
Hey, stop. Shut up.
Holy
Over.
are you kidding?
Roll your stomach.
I just told you.
On January 10th, 2025, police responded to a domestic disturbance in Joliet, Illinois, where a 30-year-old man was accused of threatening two family members with a knife during an argument inside a residence. Officers arrived at the scene and learned the man also had an active warrant for missing a court appearance related to a prior case. During the incident, he allegedly shoved one relative and then grabbed a folding knife, making threats toward two individuals before they left the home.
He pulled a knife on me.
Alright, you got a knife right now? He's got it on his person.
Is that him right there?
Yep, that's him.
In the green pants? Where's? All right, stand. Get away from the door. Hey, get away from the door. Get away from the door.
Come here and talk to me, you fucking.
All right, you have a knife on you.
I ain't got no knife.
All right, come here first.
Come on, now nigga, come inside. Nah,
Hands behind your back.
What?
Hands behind your back.
What? Don't fight him, Kyle. Don't fight him. Don't fight him. Money, dude. Kyle, just I didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back. You got
Dude, if I go to jail, I swear.
You have a warrant.
Nigga, you back down. I'm gonna
Resisting.
Nigga.
You're gonna get tased.
you.
You have a warrant.
I have a warrant.
Yes,
Yeah.
put your hands
Yeah,
behind your
really?
back. Hold your stomach.
Oh my God, I'm so
Roll
sorry.
your stomach.
Oh, warrant.
Roll
I'm
your
going to
stomach.
jail, okay? Jail.
Roll your stomach. Roll your
Nigga,
stomach.
I'm good.
Hey,
Roll your stomach.
Nigga, I'm not trying.
all right.
I have.
Okay.
Guys, if you guys just let's stop for a
We
second.
gotta have control of you.
I didn't know I had a
I don't
warrant.
know if you got weapons on you.
Hey,
I need you to
no,
roll your
no.
stomach. Okay.
I will go to my stomach just like go on me. I can find myself by a car you took from me,
All right.
dude.
You roll your stomach.
You're not
or we're
gonna
tasing
roll. Just let go of me, dude.
Hey,
Just let go.
you're gonna get
I
tased.
will go to my stomach, bro. Bro.
We're gonna let you roll that way. Roll to your
Don't
stomach.
let go of me.
We can't let go
I
of your
got
hands.
no weapons. It's through my
We're not gonna
phone.
let go of you.
Nigga, let go of me.
No.
Let go of me.
No.
right.
Roll your stomach, you're gonna get tased. Last chance. Last chance.
Bro.
Roll to your stomach.
You roll your stomach.
Roll your stomach.
Can
You're
you
rolling
just
that way.
let go of my
Roll
arms
your
and shit?
We
Let
can't
go.
let
Let
go.
it turn in my stomach,
Roll
dude.
your stomach.
I have a bad.
Roll your
Wait,
stomach.
is it a bench warrant?
Roll your stomach.
Is it a bench
It's
warrant?
an FTA warrant. Roll your stomach.
roll over.
Roll over.
Oh, Phil, see up here.
Yeah. Roll your stomach.
Is it a bench
It's
warrant?
an FTA warrant. Roll your stomach.
Roll the fuck.
Roll over.
Oh, Phil, see up here.
Hey, stop. Shut up.
Holy dude.
Roll over.
Are you kidding?
Roll your
I
stomach.
just told you.
Roll to your stomach.
Nigga.
You're
He
gonna get
just please wait on
You're
me.
gonna get tased.
Let go of me. No longer.
Roll.
Roll.
God damn it, bro.
Put your
I'm
hands
not
behind your
gonna-
back. Hands behind your
Okay. You We're coming to you for that. No, I swear to God, Dad. You called the cops because they're in front of you about paying me my way for the car.
Relax this arm.
You illegally. I'm sorry. Don't tase me. I don't know how my heart can take it, dude. I did a lot of drugs. I cannot take the tase.
What'd you say?
Huh?
What'd you say?
What did I say?
Yeah.
Nick, what the f are you talking about?
You said you took a lot of drugs.
I've done a lot of drugs in my past. I can't take a tase, dude.
All right.
I got bad nerve damage.
Once I relax.
I'm not
Got a
trying.
body camera.
Guys. Look at my right wrist. Look at my right wrist. Look at this wrist. I got a bump. Please loosen it up. Oh my God, please, dude.
It's just on Vespa.
Don't talk to them. See if they got any complaints about anything else.
Why did you not see the grandkids? Because you know
All right,
why.
buddy, we're gonna stand up.
I'll get myself. Dude, hold on. I'm loosening the left cuff. I'm submitting. Loosen the left cuff, please. I'm submitting. Please, you idiots, bro. I probably took from me.
We're gonna pat him down real quick.
Go ahead, motherfucker.
You got any weapons on you, boss?
No, man.
Alright.
They grabbed me and I pulled my knife out of him. I threw it away.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Where's
He's
that
gonna
guy?
grab me while I'm pulling away from
Breathe your
him.
knees, okay?
I can get my stuff, bro. Don't touch me.
Okay.
Don't fucking
Relax.
touch
We
me.
have to have positive control over you, all right?
This, dude, okay, 1 second. The last time. No. Unloosen it and please reroute it, man. Come on, I'm 6'3". I can't do this lanky ass jumbo bone. Nigga, fix it!
Alright, let's go.
Hey, your camera.
Just fix it, bro. Fix it. Come on, man. It hurts.
Let's go.
I appreciate the right hand. Nigga, fix it. I got no shoes on.
You guys got shoes for him?
Can you please fix it? Fix the fucking wrist right here, dude.
It's moving.
It hurts.
Stop.
Look at my arms.
Put your
Look
shoes
at
on. You got shoes right here.
Look, nigga, look. Up, down, up, down. Look at my fucking.
Hey, you got your shoes right here.
Can you
Shoes.
please
All right, we go.
loosen?
Hey, you want to
I'm
go
not
shoes or
gonna
without shoes?
fucking-
Come on. All right, where we going?
I didn't do shit to the fucking wall, man.
the car.
Give me my fucking shoes, bro. Give me my fucking shoes, man. Come on.
Watch your step. You're gonna fall. I'm letting you fall.
Oh, pushing my head down, little. Thank you, and what you're here for. I can find my neck.
Turn the back camera on down over, please.
Turn all your cameras on.
Here you are.
That's why I got my last shit.
Take a step.
Hey, so how long does it take to get out of the warrant warrant? Oh, no. It's through here. FTA.
You're gonna go to town.
What kind?
Yep.
Oh, shit, okay.
We got some new charges tonight too.
Oh, come on, man. Can I talk to somebody?
The 30-year-old suspect was arrested and charged with domestic battery, aggravated assault, resisting a peace officer, obstructing a peace officer, along with the outstanding warrant tied to a previous aggravated battery case involving a peace officer. He was booked into the Will County Jail, where authorities confirmed he remained in custody several days after the arrest. Bond details were not specified in the report. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.